Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen approved used Caravelle Executive. This model is a 2.0 TDI Bi Turbo 199ps, 7-speed DSG 4-motion drive, finished in an upgraded two-tone paint which is a mixture of Indium grey and deep black. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty, so if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So I'm going to give you a 360-degree walk around, then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details. So this Caravelle is jam-packed full of upgraded features, one of them being your LED headlights with your LED daytime running lights offering you maximum visibility during all weather conditions. Next we have your 18-inch Springfield alloys finished in silver, pairing nicely with the two-tone paint. Then you do have your mud flaps to prevent dirt from spreading all up your vehicle. This is also upgraded. Then we do have your electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, which is perfect for reducing condensation on those frosty mornings. Then to enter the rear we do have your electric sliding doors. So it's nice and easy and really convenient for your rear passengers. Then taking a look inside this spacious interior, we have the Alcantara finished upholstery. Then you do also have your multifunction table in the centre with separate guide rails on the floor. Then making my way to the back, you'll be happy to know that you have the benefit of a rear view camera as well as your front and rear parking sensors to ensure parking is incredibly easy. You've got your upgraded LED lights on the rear as well. Then we do have your tow bar, which is a perfect addition for towing any trailers or caravans. This is also upgraded. Then take a look inside the boot. We have a good amount of space available. You can of course slide the seats forward if you ever did want to extend the space in the boot. And then as an upgraded feature, you do also have the benefit of a handy tie mobility kit. Then panning around to the side profile, we have your laminated glass part with improved outside noise insulation as another upgraded feature, as well as your sliding windows on both sides that can be opened from the inside. Then showing you from the other side of the vehicle, as you can see, we have your bench seats. And this is followed by your two swiveling seats that can be turned around to face the opposite way. And then in the centre we do also have your multifunction table. So this has extended cup holder storage for your rear passengers. So it's really practical. It can be folded away and pushed back between the two seats. And then you do also have your roller blinds for the side windows for when the sun glare gets that bit too much. Then moving into the front we have your multifunction steering wheel followed by your two front heated seats, each with an armrest and multiple controls to ensure you find that perfect position during every single journey. So that just concludes the first part of the video. So on the next part I'll jump inside and I'll go in further detail on the interior features and technologies. So jumping in the driver's seat, we have your multifunction steering wheel where we can access some of the car's features directly. This does include your adaptive cruise control and some other great safety features including your front assist and your side scan blind spot detection for safer driving environment. Then using the controls on the right we can customise your instrument cluster. This is where you'll find your key driver information. You can see that this vehicle has covered 19,272 miles. And then panning to the right, you do also have the benefit of your automatic lights. This will ensure they're always on at the correct times. And taking a look inside the driver's door, we have your electric mirror and window controls as well as your central locking. And then another fantastic upgraded option is your Dynaudio digital sound pack, which is a fantastic feature to have if you're into your music. And then you'll find multiple storage compartments. And then you've got your 12-volt socket for your media devices. Then as an upgraded feature, we do have your Discover Media Navigation System Plus. So here we can access a wide range of features. So going into radio, we do have your DAB, FM and AM radio available from endless of stations for your music and entertainment. If you wanted to listen to your own music, you can do this by connecting your phone to an aux cable. Then you do have the benefit of your Bluetooth telephone connection, allowing you to make and receive phone calls safely on the go. Then we do have your satellite navigation, so you have a 3D map. This will help you plan your route stress-free. It's really quick and responsive and easy to use. Then we do have your App Connect, allowing you to display your music maps, contacts and messages for your entertainment. Then as I mentioned earlier, we do have your rear view camera as well as your front and rear parking sensors to ensure parking is much easier for you. So your parking sensors will give off an audio warning to help protect the vehicle and anything around it. Then with this car you will benefit from your climate controls. We have a 3-zone climate control, so both yourself and your front passenger can be in control of your own temperatures to save any future arguments, as well as your 3-point front heated seating to make sure you're nice and cosy during the colder months. So here we have your electric controls for your rear doors. And then as you can see, this Caravelle is automatic. It's also a 4-wheel drive, so it's great in bad weather conditions such as snow and mud. Then another great feature includes your fuel tank with a volume of 80 litres. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Caravelle Executive, which includes a 2-year warranty along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.